center of the Pearl of Africa, Northern Region.
Today marks actually a great milestone for Miss Tourism Uganda, because on this day we unveil to you the 3 crowned Miss Tourism Queens from the clusters. We've traversed the entire region, the Pearl of Africa, and these beauties you see here are here to represent the regions where they come from. Representing what is actually uniquely ours. I happen to come from Busoga. I know Busoga is unique, but look, Toro is unique, West Nile, and every other region has an amazing thing that they have to bring and showcase to us. We are yet to see what is that particular thing that will get you from Kampala and you travel all the way to Karamoja to go and enjoy. These girls are here to let us know. These young women are here to actually take the tourism sector on a greater level.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lokeris Jacinta, from the land of the true African wilderness, Karamoja!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Natiana Anastasia, from the land of courageous warriors, Karamoja!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Akiji Rachel, the land that sits East Africa's largest village, Karamoja!
of the tastiest onang nang fish. Western region!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Mwesibire, mwesayo. My name is Muganda Shivon. I come from the mountains of the moon, Renzori region. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. Mama Siva, Mama Navachacha. My name is Muhinda Fortunate from the land of the snow-capped mountain, Renzori! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. Mama Siva, Mama Navachacha. My name is Muhinda Fortunate from the land of the snow-capped mountain, Renzori!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. Mama Siva, Aba Mama Navatata. My name is Master Beatrice Viapkaga from the land of beautiful treasures, Renzori!